Welcome to Night Owl Woodturning. Today's turning is a piece of basswood. One of the popular woods used by carvers and whittlers. Basswood is a soft hardwood that you can carve into it very easily. I'm going to be carving some texture with some wire brushes after it's turned. So let's get going. One of the things that's really nice about this process is I'm not that concerned about creating a really nice smooth finish, because I'm going to be texturing with this wire brush, lifting off a lot of the grain or exposing some of the under grain a little bit more, but you'll see that as we continue. You saw at the end of this process, I switched to a nylon brush. That's this one here. I find the nylon brush a little bit less harsh than the wire brush, so it takes away some of the scratches, unnatural looking scratches left behind by the wire brush, and really sharpens up that texture. So my next step is to take some Danish oil, seal those grains, add a little bit of color. Already shaken this. just like I did on the outside or the bottom, I have put some Danish oil. Again, with a little bit of that cherry color on it. On this side, let it cure. And we start looking at sanding this up. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to try to keep that white or perhaps another color just to really create some contrast. But we will see. And that's India ink. Nice, highly pigmented. Welcome back. The Basswood bowl has had a little bit of time to cure the Danish oil finish. I'm going to be taking it off, turning it around to mount on a vacuum chuck. Which I have over here. Nice slow, get it turning. Turn on the vacuum. And there, it attaches. I want to thank you all for sticking around to the end of this video. If you like videos like this, go ahead. Please click my subscribe button. And if you like this bowl, you can give it a like. That would be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching Night Owl Woodturning.